39 seconds, someone gets hacked. Think it cannot happen to you? Think again. Cyber threats are everywhere, but you have the power to outsmart them. Cyberattacks never sleep, but you can stay one step ahead. Weak passwords are like leaving your door wide open. Use at least 12 characters, mix letters, numbers, and symbols, and enable Two-Factor Authentication or 2FA. A password manager keeps your login safe and easy to manage. Hackers hate 2FA. Use it. Phishing scams look real, but they are designed to steal your data. Watch for urgent messages, misspelled domains, and suspicious links or attachments. Would you click this? Never click blindly. Hover, verify, and delete. Skipping updates is like ignoring a broken lock. Enable auto updates for your operating system, browser, and apps. Patch security holes before hackers do. 90% of breaches happen due to outdated software. Free Wi-Fi is not really free. It could cost your data. Avoid banking or logging in on public Wi-Fi. Use a virtual private network, or VPN, or your mobile hotspot instead. Whether you are a student, employee, or gamer, you are your own firewall. Cyber smart means life smart. Cybersecurity starts with awareness. Like, share, and subscribe for more quick tips.